In this video, we will see how we can download and install the latest version of Java JDK in Windows 11 computer and how we can set the path and Java home environment variables. So here, first we will open up a browser. I have Microsoft Edge. I'm going to open it up and then I will open up the google.com and here we will search for Java JDK. And it will display the download link, Java download from oracle.com. So we will click on this first link. And once we click on that, it will take us to this particular page, Java downloads. And here we can find the option to download the latest version of Java. So here, whatever the latest version is, you have to select that. At the moment, JDK 25 is the latest version available. And then here in the Windows section, I can see the download options. I will go with the x64 installer. I will click on this download link and the download will begin. Now, once the file is downloaded, we will click on this open file option, or you can go to the location where the program is downloaded and then you can double click on that downloaded file in order to launch the program. So here, if it asks for any permission, then click on yes and provide the permission. Now here we can see the Java JDK installer and here we will click on next. And here you just have to make a note of this path and then we will click on next. It will install the Java JDK in this computer. We just have to wait for this process to complete. Okay, now once the installation is complete, we will click on close. Now the installation that we have done, it will automatically add the entry for the path environment variable. In order to check that, we will click on the start button and we will search for terminal and we will open up the terminal. And here we will type in a command and that command is java space minus version. And when I hit the enter key, we should get a message like this. If you get any error here, then it means that the installation has some issue. The path environment variable may not be updated. But if you get a message something like this, where the current version of Java which is installed is displayed, then it means that the path environment variable has been updated properly. Now finally, here we will update the Java home environment variable, which is used by some applications related to Java. In order to do that, we will click on the start button and we will search for edit the system environment variables. Here we can find this and we will click on this. It will open up this system properties window. Here we can find environment variables. We will click on that and it will open up this environment variables window. And here in this user variables section, we will click on new and then we will enter the variable name as Java underscore home. There should not be any space. And for the variable value, we will click on this browse directory and we will go to the location where the Java is installed. If you remember, it is in this PC and then the C drive and then program files and then Java, and then we can find the JDK 25 at this particular moment in my computer. Depending on when you're watching this video and what version of JDK installed, you may find the version number different, but you will find JDK minus and then the version number folder. We will select that and then we will click on OK. After that, we can click on OK here and then OK and OK. Now the last thing that we do here is we will check the Java home environment variable that we have set. For that, again, click on the start button, search for terminal and open up the terminal. And here you have to enter the command echo space $env : Java underscore home. After that, if you hit the enter key, you will find the path for the Java JDK. So if you get this message, then it means that everything is properly set. So this is it guys for this particular video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.